Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to make header drop-down menu rounded corner in Shopify. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring any developer, then these tutorials will be very helpful for you. So, let's get started. This is very quick tutorials and I have already published an article in my website e-commerce thesis. Here is the article, how to make header drop down menu rounded corner in Shopify, and here is the very good snippet. So these tutorials will not be too much long, just a quick and easy step, then we can make the header drop down menu rounded corner. Before that, I want to share something about me. I am Faisal, a full-time Shopify developer. I have already published 500 plus video in my YouTube channel relevant Shopify store design, customization and development. Also, how to rank your Shopify online store in the organically in the search engine without any paid ad campaign. So you can check out my YouTube channel and subscribe, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn deeply about Shopify store marketing and bring traffic. Okay, so let's jump into the main topics. So as we want to add drop down menu rounded corner effect or pictured in here, so here is the Shopify admin panel, then click online store. Very simple process. Then click on this three dot icon, edit code, search base, open base.css file. Okay, then simply go to my website or check out the link in the video description. I have shared this code snippet link in the video description, so you will find this link. Then go to this page and simply copy this code snippet, copy it, go back to the base.css file, go to the bottom of this file and add some space, paste the code, click on the save asset save. Now go back our website and reload, click on the shop drop down. Wow, it's working. So simple, easy and fast, and I hope you understand everything, how you can easily add this pictured or make rounded corner the drop down menu very easily. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.